pay solid day. Jobi goody jobi jinela. Duma ni jevi jinela. Nyaka tauso na mufirema. Kumunti jis besa te heli jinela. Jobi goody jobi jinela. Ray kati kudila. Duma yuma topandi kale sama yon. Teka nyom def kati kudila. Sohore dome adama diyon.
It's your boy Superstar once again, coming to bust the place like nothing never happened yet. Malene alel tahna bopa meti bopele gi halat numay def be japale mer be lay tok di halat halis tahna bopa meti lu koy meti halat yo hamoli ko waral lu god di tok di joy di halat. Crying is a response to pain. No, you can't cure the pain with another pain. Pain. Fighting is a response to pain. No, you can't heal the pain with another pain. Pain. Yune pandila amudara pare duwane kanamam. Mata sa yune nyo asila yaba meni mumunga. Luta fuma fenyu tojati even sufa teke bakenam. Mata domu sa am hai beromba asaman. Soka. Suck it, die, suck it, kill it, die, power, blazing come with power, blazing come with power, 1,000 problem, different statement, million trouble, how me go solve them, 1,000 problem, different statement, million problem, how me go solve them.
Hello from my Gambia. Today we are having an interview with one of Gambian upcoming artists, Addi Builder. I will allow him to introduce himself fully. Addi Builder, welcome.
Yeah, my fellow Gambians, I'm greeting everybody. It's Superstar once again out of Kutu. Big up to my fans, them, you know.
So Addi Builder, tell us your real name and why did you use Superstar and Addi Builder?
I used the name Superstar because they give it to me as an artist name since 2008.
Okay.
And my real name is Mohammed Bari.
Okay. So when did you start doing music?
In 2008.
Wow, in 2008. Can you tell us what are the categories of music that you do, the genre?
Like I was doing dancehall, but right now I'm doing any kind of music like Afro, dancehall, hip hop, rambala.
And who writes your music for you? Do you write your music or someone do the lyrics and then you do it for you sing it?
I write my music for myself.
And when did you discover that you have the talent for music?
2008, the day I started music.
Okay. How did you discover it? Did you just sit down and start singing or
I was just singing for myself and I got the inspiration that I can sing and I can do it like the rest do it. So I tried to put myself into music, start singing.
Who inspired you? Do you have any special artist that you know you like and that person inspired you to be?
Yeah, very much. Every artist has somebody who inspired him, like Vibes Carter is the one who inspired me in music and his music is very good, that is why.
And how many songs have you done since you started music? Since 2008?
It's about 3 something, but right now what I count and what I have is 247 music.
Wow, 247 music and it's 3 something. So what happened to the rest of the...
You know, having studio, sometimes you just have this computer problem, and you lose all your songs. You can't do nothing about it. That is why you lose my songs.
Okay. So right now you have 247.
Yeah,
then have you ever released an album?
Because I don't have that power still now. I'm just trying to launch one of my album named Dafa Heart. But still now, we are on it.
How many songs are going to be on that album?
Probably they said 8 is good.
Okay.
But I'm having right now 15 to 16 songs.
On the album?
Yes.
And then you will do filtering and select the best 8?
Me and my agenda will do that.
Okay. In 2020, January, you launched an EP at Kotu. How many songs were on that EP?
It's, I don't know, six, yes.
6 songs. What was the name of the album?
Ajube.
Ajube. What does Ajube mean?
Ajube means look at me. Like, look what I'm doing.
Okay.
Ajube.
What is your most hit song that people like?
Segalawano.
Okay. And why
It's a
do you
dancing
think they
song.
like that?
Because it's a dancing song, people like fun. That is why the Segalawano is more popular.
And among all the music that you make, you have a favorite. Which one will it be?
It's soccer, because soccer have many secrets in it that I can't even say all.
So can you tell us a bit about soccer?
Soccer is like 419 and self-interest person.
You said that you're working on an album. So when do you think this album will be released?
After the Ramadan.
After the Ramadan.
Yes.
What is mostly the message that you send to the people in your songs?
So
What do you fight for the most?
the truth, like there are so many secrets that people can't even tell, and there are so many things that people are afraid to say. That is why I'm singing.
Do you think it is easy to do music in the Gambia, or to be part of the music industry in the Gambia?
It's never easy.
So what are your biggest challenges or the biggest problems you have faced since you started music?
The biggest problems are of mine. It's money problem. But right now, I got a full team, so I'm very glad they're helping me.
Okay.
That's all I can say.
So do you have any social media pages like Facebook, Instagram and so?
Yeah, Instagram, Facebook.
In the next 5 years, where do you see yourself at and your career?
Next 5 years, like I can say Vibes Cartel, because I believe in myself that I will make it even before that 5 years you are talking about.
Okay, that is quite great. And what will be your message to your fans and to the world?
Fans, I'm having a full confidence that I will make it. I'm just waiting for your support and listening. Whatever you got to say that I can take as an advice, I will take it. This 2021. Before 2022, you are going to get a lot.
Thank you very much, Superstar Addi Builder, for joining us. And thank you very much for watching.
Wala fi wajaw silentara bur bisa di am enemy silentara ta bible la mere yala mere nala lim na munti tere yala tere nala way wajur to la dugala janna bay li ngay def dem juli ajuma dañu wara ni bi kende ku safara iblis mo waral ñu waca aduna